Hello everyone, and welcome to another Notion tutorial. Today we're diving into the creation of a powerful task manager inside Notion, enriched with the Eisenhower Matrix for efficient prioritization. Plus, stay tuned because I'll be providing a free download link for this template. Now let's jump right into it. In the latest steps, we've just created a new page and structured a database for our task manager. Now we're diving into the customization of this database, establishing 5 crucial columns: status, due date, urgency, importance, and a formula property. In the urgency column, we'll categorize tasks as either urgent or not urgent. To save time, I'll provide the formula here, and you can find it in the description along with the complete template. Now that we've added some sample tasks for demonstration, let's move on to creating our Eisenhower Matrix. This matrix is a powerful tool for task prioritization, helping you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Now, let's enhance our task manager with 2 filters, one for today's tasks and another for tasks scheduled for this week. Feel free to add more filters as needed for your workflow. Moving on to the Eisenhower Matrix, we'll begin by focusing on the urgent and important tasks, those that require immediate attention. If you're unfamiliar with the Eisenhower Matrix system, I've included a link in the description for you to learn more about this powerful task prioritization method. Let's proceed by adding the 3 remaining quadrants to our Eisenhower Matrix. While the 4th quadrant, representing not urgent and not important tasks, can be automatically eliminated, I understand your preference to keep them visible. This approach ensures a comprehensive view of your tasks, promoting awareness even for less critical items. Let's configure the matrix to encompass all quadrants and maintain a holistic perspective on your task landscape. The automatic elimination of tasks when marked as done streamlines our matrix dynamically. Now, let's take efficiency a step further by creating buttons for a quick completion glance. These buttons will offer a seamless way to mark tasks as completed, enhancing the overall user experience. If you found value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing your feedback. Your encouragement fuels the creation of more content. Thank you for investing your time with us. Until next time, stay productive.